Hello, this is SJcam, and we have sold many action cameras in the world. We are very popular on many countries, and we have a very great market share. This year we have released some new model, some very interesting action camera. You can see this action camera is called C300, and it was very interesting. You can see this picture. It can be changed the battery. And this is the small battery. This small battery can record about 2 hours for 1080p videos. You can see, and here is the SD card. It's easy to change the battery. And if you install a small battery, it is very portable and can install waterproof case. And if you have an accessory like this, just install it here and then put it on your body like this, so you can free your hands and recording videos. That was very interesting. But if you want to have a longer battery, can record more time, you can change the battery very easily, like this. Change the battery and install a big battery. Now, it will have 2 touch screens, and you can just turn on the camera, and then you will see 2 touch screens. This is a touch screen, and this is also a touch screen. So you can take photos like this or like this to make selfie photos. And this battery can record over 7 hours. So it was very interesting. Okay, so now I will introduce another action camera. This is our new action camera, which is called SJ11 Active. This action camera supports waterproof body. You can just drop it into the water within 5 meters. And it supports 4K 30 frames per second. So you can record 4K videos at any time, anywhere. And it supports 6-axis gyro stabilization. So you can record very stable videos and with very clear photos. This is the C300 action camera, and you can see the package. There are some accessories on the package and some simple specifications. And when we open the package, you can see. When we open the package, you can see there are 2 models. So you can change it as a small camera, or you can change the big battery and it became a small battery, a small camera, a big camera, sorry. So you can change it, the battery, it became a small battery, a small camera, or you can change a big battery, so it became a big camera, can record with a longer time. Okay, so then we open the accessories list. You will see there are some stickers. You can install it on your helmet, so you can install the camera on your helmet. And this is the free mount, and you can install it on the table or anywhere you want to install. And this is the back clip. You can install it just like this, and here you can install it on some places such as computer. You can install it on your computer, and it can be used as a web camera. And this is a waterproof case. So if you want to use it in the water, you can install the camera in the waterproof case, so you can swimming with the camera and take videos and photos. This is also a back clip. You can install the camera. You can install the camera like this and just clip it on your clothes, so you can free your hands to take videos and photos. Okay, so there are also some stickers and USB cable and some clothes. Okay, that's all. If you want to some additional accessories like this one, so you can. If you want to some accessory like this, so you can install it and like this. You can free your hands, or you can put it into your clothes, so it will become a magic. Very interesting. And we also have another accessory called remote control. You can just connect the camera and you can remote control the camera by taking videos or photos, or turn on the Wi-Fi or turn off the camera. You can remote control, such as for example, if you install the camera on your helmet, then you can't reach your camera. So you need a remote control to control your camera like this. Take videos, take photos, and turn off the camera. Okay. Okay, for now I will show you the SJ11 Active. This camera is our latest camera, and there is a waterproof case on the camera. It can dip into the water about 30 meters, but if you open the waterproof case, it is also waterproof body. This body can dive into the water within 5 meters and with stabilization and 4K resolution. I have to emphasize that this is a real 4K resolution. And this is some accessories, same as C300, and this is some mount and the USB cable. And this is free mount. You can just install the camera into the free mount, and you can install it on your bicycle or your helmet. And this is some base mount and a sticker to install the camera on your helmet. And there is also a sticker and clothes and logo, SJcam logo. Okay, this camera we have just released this year, and you can buy from our website www.sjcam.com. And we will release globally, such as some Europe or United States and Southeast Asia and Korea, Japan. So you can buy from there some biggest retailers. We will release in the whole world. Okay.